So guys, so far what we have discussed is how to calculate the value of the bond and how to calculate value of the bond on the coupon date. You know, हम लोग ने ये भी calculate किया कि भाई what is the price of the bond on day one. Then we've also discussed about how do you calculate the price of the bond. Let's say it is 6 months, down the line, 1 year down the line. Now, at all these occasions, we calculated the price of the bond on the date of on which the coupon was paid. But here's an interesting thing. Practically speaking, people can buy and sell bonds not just on the coupon date, but also in between the coupon dates. And in this case, how do you calculate the price of the bond is something which we are discussing next. So we are discussing about traded bonds which are bought and sold between two coupon dates, and the date on which the buyer will pay the money and the seller will deliver the bond, that date is referred as a settlement date. So we are going to calculate the price of the bond which the buyer will pay to the seller. Of course, whether you are buying or selling the bond on the coupon date or thereafter doesn't matter. It will be present value future cash flows. So let's discuss that through an example. Here's an example. There's a 5% coupon bond with a par value of $1,000 which pays coupon on June 15th and December 15th. Now, even if they have not mentioned that it is semi-annual, it is semi-annual, right? Because it is paying every 6 months. Now, the YTM is 4%. The settlement date is August 21, when there will be 4 coupons remaining until maturity. Calculate the price of the bond at which the settlement should happen. क्या भाव पे buyer पैसा देगा और seller बेचेगा? What will be the price, settlement price? That's what we have to calculate. It's pretty much a time value of money question, just in the form of, fixed income. So why don't you guys take out some time? Do the calculation initially at your end, and then I'll join you guys. And by the way, whatever we are discussing over here, the concepts are very much exam material concepts. An interesting one, practically also. So yeah, my suggestion is timeline draw karo. It will help you a lot. Anyways, I think you've got some time to do it. Let me at least draw the timeline. Wait a minute. This is quite a long timeline. This is 15th June. This is 15th December. And probably somewhere over here it is 21st August. Now, what is the question saying? That after 21st August, 4 coupons will be remaining until maturity. And it's a semi-annual bond with a 5% coupon. So every 6 months, the coupon amount is $25. And there will be 4 such, remaining payment. So the next coupon will be paid on 15th June of next year, which is $25. Then another coupon on 15th December of next year. Again, it's $25. And then the last coupon will be paid on the 15th June of the year after another, which is $25, but you will also get your maturity back, which is $1,000, the par value back.
So
So
is
I
the
have
answer so 1042?
nah. No, 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 no. And I mean it. It is actually a time value of money question. Yes. After this calculation, after this solving this question, we will come across few bond market related terminologies, but that's later. I'm just asking you to calculate the price of the bond on 21st August. चलो साथ में सॉल्व करते हैं. So tell me, can I say, actually, at least, can I say we have to find out the present value of each and every cash flow, you know, right up till 25th August, 21st August, you know.
Yes, sir.
So then how do you calculate? Yeah, you can manually calculate all these numbers, but how do you go about using the TVM function, which our great calculator, powerful calculator can help us. So tell me, what will be the? By the way, there are two ways to find this answer, huh? But nonetheless, I'll just go with the a little easier one. PMT. What is my PMT? The constant payment which I'm receiving every period. In this case, every 6 months.
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Yes,
I'm
sir. 2025.
$25, right? What is my IY, the discount rate for every 6 months period?
So 2.
2%, right? You don't have to mention percentage because the calculator understands that. Why is it 2? Because YTM is 4%. Remember, YTM is always on stated annualized basis. Okay, so in this case it's seminal bond. तो हर 6 महीने का कूपन YTM जो है 2% है. What is your N? Huh?
So
What
4.
is your N? Your N is equal to 4. Okay. And then what is your future value? $1,000.
1025.
$1,000, right? Why would you do 1025 when you given PMT is
Okay,
equal
yeah.
to
Mhm.
25 and N is equal to 4? That means the fourth $25 is also considered. The future value is $1,000, right? And now when you compute present value, what is the response calculator is giving you?
So 1019.
1019. Is it 1019 or point something?
0.04.
0.04. All of you, are you getting this response? Huh?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So why were you all giving me some other number here, 1040 or something? I didn't get that.
So I put the future value as 1025.
Ah, you're close to the correct answer. Well, here's the thing. When you're giving n is equal to 4, this $1,019 is the value of the bond as on 15th June. You know? Because you've taken n is equal to 4. Are you getting it? All these cash flows have been kind of discounted way beyond 21st August, before 21st August. So 1019 is the value of the bond on 15th June. But can I say I want the value of the bond on 21st August? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you do the calculation from 15 June to 15 December, if you do the if you do the calculation, there are roughly around 183 days in between. Why do I care about it? Because ये जो 1019 है उसको can I say I will have to bring it forward. I'll have to find the future value of 1019 na, on 21st August. What say? Others? Everyone?
Yes,
Do
sir.
you agree with this approach? Bhumika, Piyush,
Yes, sir.
do you agree with this
Yes, sir.
approach कि मुझे उसको future I'll have to bring it to the future value of 21st August? Now
Yes.
the
Yes,
question
sir.
is how many days further I have to bring it?
So like 66.
67 days. So
Yes.
so this much is a 67-day period and the remaining is 116-day period. Right? So can I say it will be 1019 into 1.02 raised to the power 67 divided by 183? For this much time period, it will kind of compound. What say? All of you. And when you do the calculation, the answer will be in red color because I have been following that. 1026 point
45.
0.45. सबको 45 आंसर आया? How do you do 67 upon, like, how do you do raised to the power 67 divided by 183? Well, पहले 67 divided by 183 सॉल्व करो, उसको कहीं पे स्टोर करो नंबर को, एंड देन यू टाइप 1.02 y raised to the power x, और वो जो नंबर उसको स्टोर किया है वहाँ पे वो लगा दो, एंड देन यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई विथ 1019.04. Are you getting it? If you do that, you will get 1026.45 as the answer, and that is the price at which the buyer and seller will do the settlement. Now there's also another way to calculate the same answer, and I'm talking about it. It is worth investing time into that. Again, I'm writing that on the right side. Your PMT is $25. Your IY is 2%. I'm using orange color. Your N is equal to, now I'm putting 3. Okay? And then your future value is $1,000. Now when I compute present value, what is my answer, by the way, guys? When n is equal to 3, what is my answer of present value? Can anyone tell me the number?
So 1014.42.
1014.12. But
Four
यहाँ पे you're right, that's the answer. But यहाँ पे 1014.12 is the present value as on which date? जब मैंने n is equal to 3 डाला तो?
So 15 June.
No.
15 December, sorry.
Yeah, so when I've given this command to the calculator is taking this cash flow to this period, this cash flow to this period, and this cash flow to this period, and that is 1014.12. All of you, are you understanding this calculation? But I want the answer on 21st August. Second of all, so keep that in mind. Second of all, can I say this 1014.12 is not capturing the $25 of 15th December, the same day? क्योंकि n is equal to 3 डाला ना मैंने, तो कैन आई से 15 दिसंबर के ऊपर जो $25 है वो 1014 में मौजूद नहीं है, बिकॉज n is equal to 3 का आंसर आया मैंने. What say? So then I want to calculate the value of the bond, the present value of future cash flows on 21st August. Can I say, using which color is left? Using black color, can I say I will take both these numbers and discount it further up till 21st August? Both these numbers. बराबर ना? So here's my interpretation of 1014. जैसे ही 15 दिसंबर को $25 का कूपन पे हो जाता है, अगले ही मोमेंट प्राइस हो जाएगा 1014. Are you getting it? And can I say just, yeah, अगले ही मोमेंट प्राइस हो जाएगा 1014. Now I want to discount it further back for 116 days. बराबर ना? 116 days I have to discount it, right? So then I take $25 plus 1014.12 and I discount it with 1.02 raised to the power 116 divided by 183. Can you please tell me what's the answer? That should also be equal to 1026.45. The decimal to decimal should be matching. If you have taken, 6-7 digits of decimal for all the calculation, the one on the green color and one on the orange color. If you have taken all the decimals correctly, the answer will match. Just calculate and get yourself convinced that the answer will match, and then I'll take this discussion further. Okay, then if you are very clear about this calculation, whether you go, n is equal to 4, green color, and then calculate the future value, you get 1026. Or orange color, n is equal to 3, and then you kind of discount it for the back, 1026 will be the answer. But then my question is, why can't the buyer and seller, you know, settle at the green color price, which is 1026? That's 1019. Or why can't the buyer or seller settle at, the orange color price, which is 1014? Why? What's the problem with that?
So because
Just,
the
just a moment. Let's say I'm the buyer, you're the seller. Is it okay if I pay you 1019?
so it's okay for the buyer, but not for the seller.
Why? You're right, but why? What's the problem?
So because like the price gets sensitive because the maturity period is higher on like the extreme left, so the price is more sensitive.
Uh,
So there's more risk.
but how is that related to 1026? I mean, I don't get that. No, I mean, yeah. So please answer my question, because I completely do not agree with that reasoning. So please respond to my counter so that you get convinced. Why is the seller not okay with 1019? Why does that seller want 1026? Think. You are the seller. Before 21st August, you are the bondholder. Before 21st August. Before you sell it to me. Why?
Because we held that for those 67 days.
Yes. Can you please add more
And
to it?
he would like the coupon he would like to have for himself. He held it for
Exactly.
67 days.
Exactly. Can I say seller बोलेगा कि boss, I was the owner of the bond till 21st August for another 67 days, right? तो उस 67 डेज का इंटरेस्ट तो उसका हक बनता है ना? क्या बोलते हो? 21st अगस्त तक तो सेलर इज द ओनर ना? तो वो 67 डेज के ऊपर जो इंटरेस्ट अक्रू होगा, जमा होगा, देख पूरे 6 महीने का इंटरेस्ट $25 है. पूरे 6 महीने का कूपन जो है $25 है, पर वो धीरे धीरे जमा होके $25 हो रहा है ना 6वें महीने पे. तो 67 डेज तक का कूपन तो उसका हक बनता है कि नहीं बनता है? $25 6 मंथ्स 67 डेज के हिसाब से. व्हाट से? हाँ, तो कैन आई से सेलर विल रिकवर दैट फ्रॉम द बायर. क्यों के लिए $25 का कूपन, लॉजिस्टिकली सोचो, $25 का कूपन जब 15 दिसंबर को बटा जाएगा, तो वो जो बोरोअर है, बॉन्ड इशूअर, कहना ऐसे वो $25 पूरा का पूरा $25 बायर के हाथ में जाएगा, क्योंकि 21 अगस्त के बाद वो बायर हो जाएगा. वो हो जाएगा ना बॉन्ड ओनर. इफ आई हैव टू टेल यू यूजिंग द टाइम लाइन्स, on 15th December, wait a minute, wrong color, dark blue color. On 15th December, when the borrower, the bond issuer is going to make the $25 payment, वो तो अपने रिकॉर्ड्स में देखेगा उस दिन. On 15th December, who is the bond owner? Can I say the buyer will be the bond owner on that day? और पूरा का पूरा $25 बायर को मिल जाएगा. तो सेलर क्या बोलता है 21 अगस्त को बायर को कि देख भाई, 6वें महीने पे 15 दिसंबर के पूरा $25 तेरे को मिल जाएगा. मेरे को थोड़ी ना कंपनी देने वाला पैसा 67 डेज का. एक काम कर, मैं तुझसे 67 डेज का पैसा रिकवर कर लेता हूँ, एंड दैट विल बी पार्ट ऑफ द परचेज प्राइस, एंड दैट्स वाई 1026. आर यू गेटिंग इट? The other question I could ask is, why is the seller not selling at 1014 or the buyer not buying at 1014? Because buyer बोलेगा अरे 116 दिन का कूपन पे तो मेरा भी तो हक बनता है, 21 अगस्त को मैं ओनर बन जाऊंगा. Are you getting it? That's why the price of the bond is not 1019 or 1014. Are you getting it? Or 1014 plus 1000 plus $25. Are you getting it? It is 21st August, which is 1026. Clear with that, all of you? But तुम लोग को ये थोड़ा odd नहीं लग रहा है? I mean, look at the trend. Look at the trend, okay? I'm using a different shade of the blue color because I'm exhausted with all the colors. Look at the trend. On 15th June, the price of the bond is 1019.04. Barabar? On 15th December, after another 6 months, once the coupon is paid, the price of the bond is 1014.12, on the coupon date. But aren't you disturbed looking at the trend when I say that the price of the bond on 21st August is, sorry, I don't have much space, give me a moment, is, I'll use black color, is 1026.45. Aren't you a little bothered when you look at this trend? And if you're bothered, tell me what is bothering you.
So the price has gone down.
Sorry, after 1019 the price has become 1026.
No, but from 1026 it becomes 1014.
Well, I'm not surprised with regards to that, to be honest. In fact, what I'm surprised is that like all the three numbers somehow don't fit somewhere. What is that somewhere? Can I say this is a premium bond, by the way? Because the par value is 1000, so this bond is set premium, right? हाँ. सोचो पढ़ा है हमने इसके बारे में. आज नहीं पढ़ा है, पहले पढ़ा है, पर पढ़ा है. थिंक. इनफैक्ट कल ही पढ़ा है हमने इसके बारे में. तो I hope you guys are looking at the right number. 1019, 1026, 1014. Right? Yeah. अच्छा चलो इसके बारे में तुम नोटिस करो ट्रेंड. मेरा एक और सवाल है. हम लोग ने क्या बोला? 1019 इज नॉट द प्राइस एट विच द सेलर विल सेल. बराबर 1019 15 जून वाला प्राइस पे वो नहीं बेचेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि 67 डेज का जो मतलब देख पूरा 180 डेज का जो कूपन है $25, उसमें से 67 डेज पे उसका हक है. बराबर. तो इतना मेरे को ये तो बता दो कि 67 डेज का जो कूपन का जो उसका हिस्सा बनता है 25 में से, वो कितना है? हाउ मच इज द अक्रूड? इसे कहते हैं अक्रूड इंटरेस्ट. 67 डेज का अक्रूड इंटरेस्ट कितना अमाउंट है? नंबर बोलो मेरे को.
9.15.
9.15 एकदम एक्यूरेट कैलकुलेशन है. देखो यहाँ पे कॉर्नर में एक मैंने डार्क ब्लू कलर का वेवी बॉक्स बना रहा हूँ, वहाँ पे क्या कर रहा हूँ ये कैलकुलेशन. ओके, तो उसने क्या बोला अपना, उसका नाम क्या, भूमिका ने क्या बोला कि 183 डेज के बाद कूपन मिलेगा. मतलब हर रोज़ थोड़ा थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट अक्रू होता जाएगा ना. अक्रू मतलब तुम्हारा हक बनता जाएगा उसके ऊपर. बराबर है? बराबर मल्होत्रा साहब. तो 183 डेज के हिसाब से जो कूपन अक्रू होता है वो $25 है. तो भूमिका ने बोला अच्छा 67 डेज के हिसाब से कितना होएगा, एंड देन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. जब उसने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया तो कैलकुलेशन आया $25 इंटू 67 अपॉन 183, और उसके हिसाब से आंसर क्या आया? $9.15. हाँ
Yes.
हाँ, तो $9.15 यहाँ पे 1096 के बीच में लिख देता हूँ. $9.15. What is this $9.15? This is called accrued interest. हाँ, so again going back to the calculation. ये मैंने $9.15 क्यों कैलकुलेट किया, क्यों वहाँ पे लिखा, सब बताता हूँ. पहले मेरे को एक बात बताओ. 1019 15 जून को प्राइस है. 1014 is the price on 15th December. And now you are saying 1026 is the price at which the buyer and seller will do the settlement. when you look at this trend of the price, इंक्रीजिंग डिक्रीजिंग, तुम दिमाग लगाओ, तुमको कुछ खटक रहा है? Is it something against what you have learned? हाँ, टेल मी श्रीवास्तव.
हाँ सर, तो जैसे ही टाइम कम हो रहा है वो पार वैल्यू को अप्रोच करना चाहिए।
हाँ ना? Do you
हाँ
recall the constant yield price trajectory, guys? In case of premium bond, the constant yield price trajectory was something like this, that as and when, just a moment, I'll kind of draw it properly. Give me a moment. Look at the topmost corner of the slide. As and when the time passes, the price of the premium bond keeps on falling, you know? Have you noticed that? I mean, do you, sorry, not notice it. Do you recall that? All of you? And it approaches the par value. So in this case, if it is 1019, over the period of, closer to the maturity, the price of the bond will become $1,000. But here's an interesting part. Please don't look at the curve literally. Shit, I'm not able to. I mean, I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Can I say every day after 15th June, the price of the bond should be actually less than 1019 and keep on falling as and when it approaches maturity, as per what we understood, constant yield price trajectory. Now तुम बोलोगे अरे सर वहाँ पे तो yield constant था. अरे यार यहाँ पे भी तो constant ही है ना. 15 जून को भी मैंने YTM 2% लिया है 6 महीने के हिसाब से, और 15 दिसंबर को भी YTM 2% लिया है, और 21 अगस्त को भी मैंने YTM 2% लिया है, बराबर. तो इधर भी तो yield constant है. तो डोंट यू थिंक 21 अगस्त को जो 1026 का जो प्राइस निकाला is not in line with what you have learned, constant yield price trajectory. क्योंकि पहले 1019 हो रहा है, फिर 1026 हो रहा है, और फिर 1014 हो रहा है. Can I say this might be confusing to anyone who knows constant yield price trajectory, right? And that is the reason why the price which you see on the screen on 21st August, I'm using a red color, will be 1026 minus 9.15, which is 1017 or something, 1017.30. Oh yes, it will be 1017.30. This 1017.30 will be the price which will be on the screen. The buyer and seller will look at the price of on 21st August on the screen. They'll be like, oh okay, the price of the bond on the screen is 1017, but to do the settlement they will have to add 9.15 to 1017, and the settlement price will be 1026. Are you getting it, all of you? And this 1026.45 is referred as the dirty price or the full price, and this 1017 accrued interest जिसमें से माइनस होता है उसे कहते हैं clean price or the flat price of the bond. So to conclude, on the screen, whether it is the coupon date or any other date between two coupons, the price of the bond reflected on the screen will be the clean price or the flat price, because that price excludes or does not consider accrued interest. It is in line with the constant yield price trajectory. Are you getting it, all of you? Are you getting it? Why why there is a concept called as dirty price? Dirty price, full price is the price at which the settlement will happen. The buyer and seller will buy and sell at 1026. There is no doubt about it. But practically, how do they go about it? They will look up to the screen. Oh, okay, today the price at which the bond can be bought and sold is 1017 plus the accrued interest, which is 9.15. And the settlement price will be dirty price. Are you clear about this? And what is the need of calculating clean price or flat price? So that it goes in line with the constant yield price trajectory. And over here, if you look at the graph on the top, which I have kind of made, over here on 21st August, the price will be 1017. And then the price will be 1014. It will go in line with constant yield price trajectory. Are you clear about every concept?
तो 1017.30 कैसे आया?
अरे मतलब वो 1026 माइनस 9.15, अभी जो भी आंसर है 1016 होगा, जो भी है. So what is clean price? Dirty price minus accrued interest. What is dirty price? क्लीन प्राइस प्लस अक्रूड इंटरेस्ट. ऊपर से नीचे जाएगा तो माइनस, नीचे से ऊपर जाएगा तो प्लस. 1017.3 है ना बाय द वे कैलकुलेशन तो.
नहीं सर, मैं खाली पूछ रहा था, फिर नहीं मैंने वो तो नहीं किया।
पर मेरा आंसर बराबर है ना, -9 किया तो. हाँ बराबर है.
बराबर है।
1017. हाँ. So I hope you understand the difference between the dirty price, the accrued interest, and the clean price or the flat price. अच्छा, अगर तुमको भी फ्लैट प्राइस, डर्टी प्राइस, अक्रूड इंटरेस्ट सब समझ में आ गया तो एक ट्रिविया पूछता हूँ. That will kind of seal the deal, meaning it will be a confirmation that you've actually understood the concept. Tell me, I will use another color. I'll tell me. Which color should I take? Okay, black color. ये जो 1014 है, can I say this is the price of the bond on 15th December? Huh? Can you tell me on that day what is the full price and the flat price of the bond? Full price और flat price में accrued interest का फ़र्क है. Can you tell me on 15th December what is the full price and the flat price of the bond? Flat price is the price which you see on the screen, it is quoted in the market. Full price is the price at which the settlement will happen. Can you tell me what will be the price?
Full price 1039.42.
No. The fact that the accrued interest is already given on that day, on the date of coupon, there is no interest which is getting accrued. It is getting accrued the next day. So on the date of coupon, the accrued interest is 0, and that is the reason why on the date of coupon, your flat price is equal to the full price because the accrued interest is 0. Full price minus 0 is equal to flat price. Are you getting it, all of you?
So can you repeat?
On the date of coupon, the flat price will be equal to the full price because the coupon is already paid. So if you are kind of buying the bond on that day, you will not get any coupon payments. It's like, are you getting my point over here? Accrued interest will be 0 now on that day. Imagine I'm the seller. In the morning I got $25 of coupon, and in the evening I'm selling it to you at 1039. 1014 plus 25. Does it make sense? You'll be like, अरे सुबह को तेरे $25 मिल गया ना, वापस काय को मांग रहे मुझसे? बराबर है. तो अपना सेटलमेंट तो 1014 पे ही होगा ना. तो डोंट यू थिंक फुल प्राइस विल बी इक्वल टू फ्लैट प्राइस? अक्रूड इंटरेस्ट विल बी 0. समझा कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Clear with this? So with this, we conclude our discussion on full price and flat price. Remember, flat price is the price at which the bonds are quoted, which is in line with the constant yield price trajectory. Okay? It doesn't capture, let me put it this way, flat price doesn't capture the accrued interest. You want to capture that so that you can do the settlement? Separately calculate it. Clear है? And lastly, अगर तुम ये बोल रहे हो कि $9.15 उसमें प्रेजेंट वैल्यू फ्यूचर वैल्यू कंपाउंडिंग का एंगल क्यों नहीं लिया है? क्योंकि लिए $25 जो 6 महीने का $25 है, उसमें ये थोड़ी ना कि हर रोज इंटरेस्ट कंपाउंड हो रहा है. हर रोज खाली इंटरेस्ट अक्रू हो रहा है. देयर इज नो इंटरेस्ट ऑन इंटरेस्ट नहीं लग रहा है ना 6 महीने में. हर रोज लग रहा है इंटरेस्ट ऑन इंटरेस्ट नहीं लग रहा है यहाँ पे एज पर दिस क्वेश्चन. करके 9.15 कैलकुलेट करने के टाइम पे मैंने कंपाउंडिंग को नजरअंदाज किया क्योंकि हो ही नहीं रहा है, तो कंसिडर कैसे कर लूँ? करके $25 इंटू 67/183. समझा? इफ एट ऑल यू हैड दैट क्वेश्चन. Well, you should, but yeah, I think I answered that.